The Wave Aegean six-person hot tub features an integrated eco heater that combines efficient heating with a sleek, modern design, making it a stylish addition to any living space. Designed for both comfort and relaxation, this hot tub comfortably accommodates 6 people, offering a spa-like experience whether you are alone or with friends. With 130 aquajet massage systems, it provides a soothing hydrotherapy experience that helps relieve stress and muscle tension. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the integrated filtration system, which keeps the water clean and reduces the need for excessive chemicals. The rapid heating system quickly reaches 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and its energy-efficient insulation helps maintain the desired temperature while reducing energy costs. Constructed from durable, UV-resistant PVC and reinforced drop-stitch material, the Wave Aegean is built to withstand various weather conditions while maintaining its elegant appearance.